Anyway, I'm gonna give you a 360 of the 2-strand twist, just so you guys can see the full head of hair and how it came out.
Oh God, you have to subscribe. It never ends out here. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's
so they got a what? They got
endless.
Hello, name is Binx. Before this video starts, my dreads are very dirty. So with that being said, before this video starts, I'm gonna wash my dreads. Alright, so we fresh out the shower with it. Family, Binx ongoing what's going on, Binx family? Welcome back to another dreadlock video. So, as y'all seen by the title, today we have another 2-strand twist video. So the last time I did this video was about 7 months ago or 6 months ago or something like that. So knowing what I know now in the future, I'm kind of looking at that video like, dang, I didn't know a lot of stuff when I was doing my hair back then. And the unfortunate part is I taught y'all how to do it that way. So a lot of time passed since then, so I learned a lot more techniques to use just so I could have a more defined 2-strand twist. So anyway, to start this video, I'm gonna show you what you guys need for this hairstyle. Like every hairstyle in the world, you're gonna need a water bottle. You're also gonna need some rubber bands, and as well as locking gel, because we're gonna actually retwist our hair when we do this. And last but not least, some type of oil that you guys could retwist your hair with. I got this little argan oil right here, as well as this coconut oil. The kind of labels are really messed up because I had this for a while. So after you wash your dreads with shampoo, you kind of want to restore all the oils that were in your hair. Shampoo kind of like strips out all the natural oils. So that's why it's best to use like sulfate free kind of shampoo, because that's gonna like reduce that effect. But all shampoo still does it. So we're gonna hurry up and oil our dreadlocks. Yes, sir. Get it everywhere. Also, the ends of your hair are really important, considering those are the oldest part of your hair, you know what I mean? Now I got a little bit of coconut oil. It's really not that thick. It kind of looks thick here, but when you rub it in your hands, it kind of turns to like oily, you know what I'm saying? The dreads are moisturized, so the second step that we're gonna go into is the retwisting. Alright, so when you retwist your hair, you're actually gonna also need clips as well. Make sure you hold the retwist in. I ain't no professional, but I've been retwisting my hair since I kind of started my dreadlocks. So if you like the way that my dreads look, then you probably should follow the same steps that I'm gonna show you. Alright, so when you retwist your hair, make sure you guys have the water bottle. Make sure your hair is already wet. You know what I'm saying? Just to make this easier on yourself, you're probably gonna wanna put your hair up just to get it out the way. So I separated my hair in 2 different parts, you know what I mean? You see it down the middle. Now all you really do for a retwist is get the dread that you want to twist. I'm gonna just grab one in the front right here. All I really do is to separate the hair like this, you know what I mean? All the way around. To separate your dreadlocks. Now after your hair is separated, all you're gonna really need is a little bit of locking gel. So that's about enough for one whole dreadlock. All I really do is just put it at the roots like this. Then I kind of run it throughout the dread. Like I always say, you want to make sure your dreads are all twisting the same direction from start of your dreads to the finish of your dreads. That's going to make your hair come out a little bit more straight and shiny. Not that many little buds throughout your dreadlock because you're twisting them different ways. When you guys are using the locking gel, make sure you guys use it all. Don't let it clump up in one spot. And you can prevent that by kind of just rubbing the rest through your hair like this, preventing frizziness. So your dread is less frizzy and it looks a little bit more solid, you know? So all you got to do at this point is just get your clip and put it at the root of your dreadlock. Make sure your hair is not wet when you take these clips out. Make sure the gel is all dried up, and that should give you a good retwist. So with that being said, I'm gonna retwist the rest of my dreadlocks off camera, and I'm gonna get back to you when it's done. Family, so we're finally back with the retwist. As you see, we changed outfits again because it's a whole nother day. I can never get these videos done in one single day. I don't know why. You know, these videos take like at least 4 hours to shoot, and that's a lot of time, and I be getting tired. Anyway, yeah, here's the retwist. You know what I mean? So you guys can see it. I put it up in like a little bun or a little ponytail, whatever you call it, just so like my hair wouldn't get messed up before I shoot the rest of this. You know what I mean? We go to retwist right here. But yeah, I just got done putting in that work for y'all. So now it's finally about to get to the main part of this video, and that's just what to do when it comes to 2-strand twisting. And before I keep going, I want to show you guys this little painting that I done copped right here, you know what I'm saying? I'm a 90s baby, born in 1999. These are a lot of cartoons and stuff that I grew up watching, so I'm gonna actually do like a 2020 like remodeling my room, just so you guys could get a whole different scene when I start shooting my reactions and stuff like that. And this is gonna be something that I'm hoping to try to hang in the background. So now I'm about to show you the way I learned how to 2-strand twist and like the upgraded version of the 2-strand twist. So I'm gonna try to break down as well as possible how I'm gonna do these 2-strand twists, all right? So make sure you pay attention. So I'm gonna just section my hair off just so you guys could get a better see of the dreads I'm grabbing. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cross the dread over, just like that. Hope you guys can see it. Each time I'm about to do a twist, I'm gonna make sure that I twist the dread itself like this. Then I'm gonna cross it over, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna twist the dread again, the other dread, then I'm gonna cross it over. You know, I'm gonna twist the dread again, then I'm gonna kind of cross it over. But yeah, you're just gonna kind of repeat that process all the way down to the bottom of your dread. You know, twist, then wrap, twist really tight, then wrap. Now once you get to the end of the dreadlock, you're gonna wanna get your rubber band like this. And you're just gonna kinda wanna put it on the tip. Make sure that you wrap it. But anyway, I hope you understood how to do that. So now I'm about to 2-strand twist my whole hair off camera. And then I'm gonna get back to you when the finished product is done. So let's go. All right, yes sir, you know what I mean? Your boy Binx finally got the 2-strand twist done after about an hour and a half. But anyway, I'm gonna give you a 360 of the 2-strand twist just so you guys can see the full head of hair and how it came out. So I hope you guys got a good look at it, and I hope you understood how I did the 2-strand twist. And what I also figured out while doing this, when you actually do that twist thing, when you have to twist your dreadlocks and then go like that, it's also easier to like twist and then bring your dreadlocks up and then wrap them. There's a few spots that, you know, maybe could have been better, but you know, when you're doing this yourself, your hands kind of get tired and loose. But alright, Binx family, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. So I hope you guys liked this, and hopefully this helped you in some type of way, shape, or form. If it did, make sure you guys press the like down below, just so I know that I helped somebody out today. Because I enjoy helping y'all, you know what I mean? I love the hip-hop reactions, but I definitely love the dreadlock videos, just so I could get my Binx family on game, you feel me? And that's why we lit over on this channel. So if you're new, you know what I mean, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Something simple, it's free, it's a quick button, and we got bangers coming in 2020. And if you haven't already, go play my Juice WRLD Unsaved song. That's my first song I ever put out, and I'm starting to do a little bit more music because I'm actually liking it, and it's kind of fun to do, you know. Even if I just put it out for y'all, I just want you guys to stay tuned for music coming in 2020. All my social media will be on the screen right here if you guys want to go follow me on that stuff. So if you want the exclusive stuff that the rest of the Binx family don't get, make sure you guys follow me on my other social media. But that's gonna lead us to the outro of this video. So Binx family, I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you in the next video.